everyone. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. It's time for another flower pop. This is we've got Delta ceramic coat in the metallic green. We have a Mondo Llama July Firefly and a Magic Fly mild yellow. They're both craft paints. And I always like to say that because they're thin, they're not highly pigmented, and you just have to make sure that you're aware of what you're putting with it. Otherwise, it'll be washed out. This is an Artist Loft Brilliant Blue. This really takes over. I realized that when I did the painting last week. And this is Folk Art Color Shift Aqua Flash. Beautiful. And we've got Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt and a squirt of golden. And then we've got some Deco Art Sapphire. But I just love the color palette. I thought about doing a double swipe and using the two greens to swipe and see what we get. I guess it's worth a try. All right, let's start and put down some of this color shift paint. Love this color. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put some of the turquoise. I did put turquoise in the painting last week, but not a lot. So it'll be interesting to see. We're gonna put the sapphire. I put the sapphire on pretty, not as heavy, and a little bit later, I think towards the end of the layering. Okay, and this one does take over. You know, as much as we, love Amsterdam and golden, which I do, and Altier and Artist Loft's paints don't do bad. So, all right, now I am going to put some of the light in. But remember, I'm going to swipe with these colors. And it's okay to be gloppy. I'm going to put some of this in. And the last painting, I don't want glops in the same. If you remember, I just tilted it last week. I think this week, I'm probably going to spread it. So same color, same colors. We're going to spread it. Okay. Let's just spread her out. And that might not be the right thing to do. Who knows? We're going to see. Spread it out. I still got to tip it. But I kind of just left it as is and spread the paint when I did the swipe. This is a little different. All right. I'm going to wipe that off. There we go. All right. I got a wipe right here. Okay. Nice and clean. Put it back. Not bad. Let's torch. I don't see a lot of contrast, so it worries me. I do see a goober. Got it. So we're going to swipe, we said, with that color. I'm going to drizzle a little more of this on here. Sometimes when I do this at the end, it shows up a little bit more. I will put a little more of this. And, okay. There we go. All right, now I'm going to get a cup. And we are going to thin out. We're going to do a swipe with the green. And I want to thin it out just a bit. So, let's go ahead and put a little of this in a cup. Just a little bit. And I think I'm going to use a line of the Folk Art. And they're both a little bit thick, but that's okay. All right, so let's put it on the top, right over these colors. Push this down a little bit. All right, and then we're gonna put just a little line in here. There we go. And I'm going to use a paper towel. Keep it as similar as I can to last week. So we'll use 3 paper towels. We're gonna dampen it. All right, I'm gonna set it in there. Let's just drape it in, let it set. And I'm gonna pull gently. Now remember, this is the same color palette, just swiping with different colors. Put it down. I'm gonna put a little line here because this is very, again, this paint's very thin. Still gonna do this. Okay, and we're gonna tip it out. That just gives it a little bit of a flow extender when I'm trying to rock this out. There we go. All right. So here we go. We're gonna do the flower this way this time. Okay. It is a little different. Okay. Whoop. Okay, pretty. Okay, I am not crazy with the formation of the flower. Yes, when it was varnished, it is gorgeous. Let's add some oomph to it. Okay, so I'm in a different location. The lighting is horrible, so it's not as bright as what I just showed you, but it is gorgeous in person. And I just decided I didn't like the flowers. And I just recently took Rinska's botanical class, so I have used a lot of these paddle brush leaves, botanical leaves in a lot of my flower pops now, and I figured I should go ahead and start putting the video out. I'm actually going to show you the dried finish results, and I go ahead and varnish on top of these leaves again. And then I put it in a frame, and I'm in love with it. It's amazing how a painting can set on your shelf and you don't really like it, and then you pick it up and you're like, I can do something with this. And adding this green, using the brush to kind of create some variation with these flowers, it just made it just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to put another coat of varnish, and then I'd like to show you the dried results in a frame. I'd love it if you would stick around to see that with me. Don't forget, I would be grateful if you would like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time I have a video coming out, hit that bell. I'd love to have you here, and I'm so grateful for those of you that continue to follow me. I'm so appreciative, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you those dried results. Okay, so I was going to show you, get back on camera and show you this with me holding it, but didn't get there, and I want to get this out. It's just so beautiful. Look at the addition on those flowers, and adding those botanical leaves just really makes this painting. I am in love with this painting. I would love for you to stay tuned for more botanical paintings and other flower pops that I'll be combining this technique. It is so much fun. I am doing a lot of resin work, so I promise I will bring that to you very soon as well. Okay, thank you again. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Take care. Till next time.